make this video really quick. So this is just a tutorial on how I put on my Vixen eyelashes with my long nails. So I'm showing you guys how to do it with long nails and with tweezers, just in case, you know, one of those don't work out for you, you have the other option. I honestly feel like it's not that bad with long nails, but my camera's about to die. I just want to do a little brief talk on Vixen. I finally launched my eyelashes. The link is down below. Check them out. I have them on. This is the Vixen Volume 2. So I did want to make a little video introducing what it's really all about and why I chose that name and all that good stuff. But I'm going to save that for another time. I'll probably do that video after this one. But this is just how to apply false eyelashes with long nails or using tweezers. Really easy, really simple. I have to get ready for work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. I don't mean Twitter like that, but I guess. Follow me on Twitter and let me know what you guys want to see more of. I hope the video was good enough. I feel like I was kind of all over the place, but I'm gonna do my best to, you know, put the key information in there as to what you need to do to get them on and look like this, you know. And this wig is from Amazon. I'm not gonna talk about it because my lace is all fucked up. Everything is nothing's going right today. Nothing's going right, but I felt like I had to get this video out, so that's why I'm doing it. I hope you guys enjoy. Go buy some lashes. Tag Vixen on Instagram so you could be featured in the story and become an official Vixen. And if y'all wanna know what a Vixen is, I'm gonna tell y'all in my next video, or y'all can just Google it. Okay? Okay. So this is how my lash boxes look. That's the style that I chose. These is Vixen Volume 1. These are not the lashes that I'm wearing in the video. I just wanted to show you how it looked. This is the glue that I use, House of Lashes. I got this from Ulta Beauty. I used to use hair glue, I'm not gonna lie. And you just wanna get a good layer of the glue on your eyelash. You wanna put a little bit more on the edges so you make sure it sticks. And then I'm also gonna add some glue to my eyelid as well. That just creates a more sticky base for the glue to stick to. So instead of it sliding around like on your skin, it's gonna stick to the glue. I did this one a little, I did this one kind of messy, so please excuse it to me. I was trying to get a good angle in the camera. But you just wanna apply a thin layer of glue, not on your eyelashes, but on your eyelid. You don't wanna pull out your eyelashes. Sometimes I have a hard time putting eyelashes on because my eyelashes is so long. So my eyelashes get stuck with the lashes, but I'm still learning how to make it work. So you want to take your fingers, not your nails, and put it on the eyelashes itself. I'm actually going to use my other hand so I get a better angle. So use your fingers or your nail, whatever works for you. And you just want to set it on top of your eyelashes. Don't put it on your eyelashes, put it on top. There's like a part between your lids and your eyelashes. You want to put it right in that little crevice. It's like a little crevice in there. I don't know how to explain it. Not on your eyelashes, but right in the middle. Sorry, I'm getting out of the view. And then you just want to line it up. I actually kind of feel like the nails make it a little bit easier because they can act as like tweezers. So you just move it and manipulate it with your nail to shape your eye. If you have small eyes or if these eyelashes are too big for you, you can cut them to shape your eye. I just like how the big look looks on me, and it kind of gives me like a wing. So I like how that looks, so that's why I leave them so big and long. That's why I leave them long. So you want to take your nails and then just press your eyelashes with the fake eyelash. So like bond it together so it looks like one. You know how sometimes people be wearing eyelashes, and I was dancing here singing. You know how sometimes you can see like this space in between their eye? I hate that. So make sure you press your eyelashes together. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with tweezers. So same thing, apply the thin layer of glue in that crevice of your eye. Not on your eyelashes, but more closer to your eyelid. Then you want to wait for it to dry so it can become sticky and it's not moving all over the place. and you want to hold it at a down angle. You don't want to hold it at an up angle, because you putting it down on your eyelash. So that's important, the angle of how you hold the eyelash. And you just set it on your eye, and you need to look down so you can see what you're doing. You can see that you're placing it in the correct area. So look down and hold at a downward angle to place on top, and then you just shape it. A lot of people say it's easier to do it with tweezers. It really makes no difference to me. It's just however I'm feeling that day. Sometimes I lose my tweezers, so it's just whatever I have available that day. And you just want to shape it how you want it to look. If you want it winged a little, that's what I usually do to give it a more winged look. I just push it up at the side. And that's how it looks so far. I love myself a little bit too much. And then you want to take your tweezers and press your eyelashes together. Bond them together, just like how I did with my nails before. So go ahead and do that. Practice makes perfect. Like, if y'all even buy cheap eyelashes, like from the dollar store or something, and just practice, you'll get better at it, I guarantee you. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope I wasn't all over the place. Stay tuned so you guys can see where to purchase some Vixen lashes. Thank you.